Hi, I'm Monique with Walker Tape, and today we're covering liquid adhesives. First, let's break down the adhesive bases that Walker Tape uses. We have acrylic, silicone, and water-based products that are made to suit multiple skin types and unit bases. So how do liquid adhesives work? Well, they're liquid because our adhesive is mixed with a solvent. This keeps the adhesive in a liquid state while it's in the bottle so that it doesn't bond immediately. During an install, the adhesive will bond once the solvent evaporates. For example, in water-based options, the adhesive will bond once the water evaporates. Make sure to store your liquid adhesive in a cool, dark place and keep them away from direct sunlight. If they're taken care of properly, liquid adhesives will last anywhere between 6 months to 1 year. For more information on liquid adhesives, visit our blog and check out our website at walkertapeco.com.